similar to in the US here, actually, at the movies. So I'm here outside of Terminal 21 in Pattaya, and I've never been here before, but you can see there's a pretty huge, I believe this is the largest shopping center in Pattaya, and the other shopping center is Century Plaza. So anyway, I'm going to try to see if I can film inside here a little bit. I don't know if they will stop me or not, so I'll find out soon enough. Looks like a little outside market over there. So right now I'm on the main floor area here, and you can kind of see here there's quite a few levels. It's actually a pretty amazing mall. They have different countries and different places throughout the mall, kind of separating the areas. You know, if you're somebody from the US, for instance, the malls here, they just kind of dwarf the malls in America. Every store you can imagine, every brand, from around the world, it seems like is here. And it's just an incredible selection. You know, if you're somebody that enjoys shopping, you would love this place. Like I said, everything, just every brand there is has a store in here, I think. Or at least it feels like it. The aroma coming from this bread store here is just incredible. I'm not even a big bread eater, but this smells really good. You can tell it's all freshly baked, and there's a huge selection. So now I'm in the Italy area. It's pretty stunning here. Now this guy's probably had a better day before. And then up here, I believe this is supposed to be the Golden Gate Bridge. So this is, I'm at the Tokyo level right here. Quite a few, there's quite a few Japanese brands up here, and I believe there's Japanese food up here too. So now I'm departing Tokyo and heading to San Francisco. That actually does look like the Golden Gate Bridge there. And when you're in San Francisco, it's kind of famous for the seals down at Fisherman's Wharf. So here's they've got a movie theater here. It's really large and extremely modern. And popcorn prices are similar to in the U.S. here, actually, at the movies. Hot dogs, it looks like, are quite a bit cheaper, or sausages. But in general, the prices here are fairly high as far as at the movie theater. And also everything, I shouldn't say everything, but most of the stores here seem a little bit higher than in the rest of Pattaya. So yeah, but it's a great place to visit. As far as the mall goes, every store, you know, if you want higher end stuff, it's here. ไกโดมากเลยแล้วก็รสชาติเนี่ยจะมีความนุ่มละมุนลิ้นอร่อยมากๆเลยสามารถแวะมาทานได้นะคะขวัญใจของ
ทนได้นะคะด้านนี้เลยค่ะกับไอศครีมดีซันเดย์ค่ะถัดมาอีกหนึ่งร้านโอ้โหจะบอกว่าร้านนี้นะคะใครที่ชื่นชอบนะคะซูชิอยู่แล้วค่ะคุณจะต้องรีบมาเพราะว่าดึกๆนี่คือขายดีแล้วคือขายหมด
Now I'm at the outside market here, just outside Terminal 21.
นะก็จะมีซูชิหลากห